Ugh.
Category has
Sorry, not TV Spencer.
Kyle, here we go. Click on the bridge. First options. The Help, the Judge.
I did see The Help, wasn't a huge fan, but Octavia Spencer was great in it, so I'm going to go with that.
Correct. Wow, it's great on that. You're doing a great job. One. Next trip. Fences. Interstellar. Hidden Figures.
I think he was in Hidden Figures, but he was great about it. Please, he's in Interstellar, so here we go.
Yeah, there you go. Sure. Played NASA scientist T. Bond. Tavia's got some great movies. Bridge next two. Green Book, The Shape of Water.
I've seen The Shape of Water. I think she was in that, so I'm going to go with that.
Yes, she absolutely can't slow this guy down. Lightyear, Zootopia, Soul.
For some reason, I'm thinking Lightyear. I did see that. I think voices, but you don't see her on the screen, so kind of guessing on this one.
Incorrect. There's your first miss. Go ahead and step back to the green circle. She was in Zootopia. She voiced Otter. But you're moving really nicely across the bridge. Don't you worry about it. You only got 4 answers to go before you get that money in the books, man. Here we jump back into it. Bridge, next 3 options, please. Daddy's Home, Mom, the Sun.
I'm going to go with the Sun.
Incorrect. So back the answer is Mom. That's your second miss, which means these 4 I mentioned that you need that person. You got to get with no wrong answers. You got this. Come on, Kyle. Bad Santa, Christmas with the Cranks, Jingle All the Way.
I'm going to go with Bad Santa.
Yeah, nicely done. He bounces back and it's Bad Santa. All right, let's keep going. Next 2, Bridge. Days of Thunder, Thunder Force.
So Days of Thunder, I believe, is from a comic. That was pretty cool. So I'm going to go with Thunder.
Again, really well done. Spencer played analyst. Next 3 options are Batman, Iron Man, Spider-Man.
Well, if I'm thinking of the Spider-Man from the early 2000s, late 80s, I guess I'm just going to go with Iron Man here, so we'll see how that goes.
Correct. Really tough. Your teammates hit banking and then you get it's a good amount. Go ahead and put that in. Please. Play or join your team. The end of the round. We come back. Get the keep it. Make it deep. Ready. Software possible. We can teach you Jimmy, Base, Fast,
For gentle, dependable constipation relief, try Seneca. It works differently than other laxatives because it's made from the Senna plant, a natural vegetable laxative ingredient. Gentle, dependable, Seneca. Also available with great tasting gummies and soft chews. Right now, all
Okay.
over the country, gave that shot.
Looks like a plan.
Because of lovely donations from people like you. Let's do a check. First gift.
With your gift of just $19, only 63 cents a day. We'll send you this adorable Love to the Rescue blanket as a thank you. And a reminder of the care you'll be providing so kids can be with their family.
It only takes a moment, number on your screen, or you can visit loveshriners.org. Your first gift of $19 a month has 3 times the impact in the lives of kids, because every child just wants to be home. And your gift makes that possible. Your phone is the best gift of all. Your gift will be my favorite Christmas present this year. Please call the number on your screen or go to loveshriners.org. Whatever you can. Become a first gift. The impact to help more kids. Thank you for giving.
Liberty Mutual customized. Wait, am I on one of those Liberty Mutual commercials where they stand on the Statue of Liberty and talk about how Liberty Mutual customizes your car insurance so you only pay for what you need? Yes. What happens in this one? Seagulls. I like it. What do you do? You pay for what you need.
Liberty, 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 liberty. Holiday time. What's mean to you? Family. Go.
Giving.
The wall every night at 8.
Chance to have the biggest amount. The correct answer is now. If you make it all, that is a $600